Hello, today I'm doing a super quick video on a loop chain. I had already made a long loop chain, but I just wanted to show you how you could decorate your own loop chain however you want to. It's super easy. So I already have my ribbons cut for the length that I need them. They're 5 inches long. And I'm doing them double layers, so I have both layers already cut at 5 inches each. And I do like to go ahead and glue them down so that they're not moving around when I glue them in half. Because after this, I go ahead and just glue them right in half to seal them, kind of like in a loop, basically. From here, I use this just kind of rhinestone mesh. I've seen it at Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby. At Dollar Tree, sometimes it comes actually like on a sticker palette rather than in ribbon. Sometimes I've got it in both actually, but I just kind of use it to kind of cover up any imperfections that might be there when you're sealing them in half. Plus, I think it adds a little cute decoration to it. So I just measure them and glue it right on top. You have to be careful because that mesh, the glue will come through and burn your fingers. So I like to use my nail. Then from there, I just get another ribbon of your choice. That's the length of your mum. This one's 12 inches, and I like to use a small one because I just like the way that looks. But you can use a ribbon that is the same width and thickness of your ribbon, but I just like the way that it looked on the thin ribbon. So literally you can arrange them however you want to. You can make them stacked up evenly. You can make them kind of like diagonal, crisscross, janky. This is just how I decorated mine. You can decorate yours however you'd like to. As you see, I have this one that's a full loop from the top to the bottom that I also made. But I just had this idea to do this class of one as well. So it all came out super cute. It's super easy. On that other one, you see I just put a thin ribbon on the side instead of the ribbon in the center. So super easy. Thank you so much, and subscribe and like my video. Bye bye.